Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. In today's video, we are going to discuss different examples in mathematical ability. It's all about ninth video for Infosys 2025 preparation. If you guys have missed previous videos, watch all those videos available in the description. You can check the playlist, you can find the company-wise playlist, guys. So we already done Accenture and Deloitte and different placement examinations and all the content which are available in the playlist. You can check the playlist, you can get all the information for your upcoming examinations. And kindly like our video and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different competitive examination. So today I will cover few different concepts for different questions from quantitative aptitude. Okay, let's see this data now. So this is all about ages, guys. Let me tell you the concept here. So ages is all about different informations given: past information, present information, and future. First, listen carefully this concept, guys. If any information compared from present to the future, here there is a two different words they are using: after, hence. After and hence they are talking about present to the future. In the same way, from past to the future or present to the past. So here the terminology they are using is echo. So this is the first information you should understand. Now second information. Sum of ages. Sum of ages of A and B is 20 years. So they are talking about the present. If we add the present age of A and B, it's 20 years. Now what is their sum? What is their sum after 7 years? Can anyone type your answers? If you go through that, sum of the present ages is 20 years. So what is the sum of their age after 7 years? Please type your answer. See, what is the sum of their ages after 7 years? So type your answer. Sum of present ages is 20 years. What is the sum of their age after 7 years? Again, we need sum after 7 years. Now see, present sum is 20. After 7 years means A increases their age by 7 years, B is also increases by 7 years. Now we have to add 14 years and sum of their age after 7 years is 34. Sum of their ages is 34. Let me take third concept. Difference of their ages. Difference. Difference of their ages is 20 years. Now, what is the difference? What is the difference of their age after 7 years? Now, this is the third important point. So, what is the difference of their age after 7 years? Present age difference is 20. After 7 years, what can be the age difference? What is the difference of their ages? Guys, difference of their ages are always same. Present age difference is 20. After 7 years also their age difference is same 20. There is a no change in the age difference. There is a change in sum, there is a no change in the difference. And these are the 3 points you should remember while solving any questions related for ages. Let me teach you two methods. One is ratio method and another one is direct ages concept. Now we see the ages of A and B in the ratio of 5 is to 7. 5 is to 7. And 5 years ago, their ages were 5 is to 8. What is the respect to present ages? See, 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, the ratio of A and B is 5 is to 8, right? So let us take that exact age of A is 5x, B is 8x. So this is all about 5 years ago. Now if you want the present age, guys, 5 years ago to the from present, then each person is increases their age by 5 years. Now if you cancel it the present age, now you will get the ratio of 5 is to 7. Cross multiply that. 7 into 5 is 35x, 35, 40x plus 25. Let's find the difference here. Here the difference of 5x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, now the question, what is the present age? Present age is. So if you want the present age, see, 5 into 2, 10, 15, 8 into 5, 8 into 2, 16 plus 5 is equal to 2. So here the respective ages are 15 and 21. Is the correct answer. Guys, let me go with the second one. I told you guys, difference of their ages are always constant. Means see, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, respect to ratio of A and B is 5 is to 8. Then the present. So here the present age ratio is 5 is to 7. As you already know, the difference of their ages are always same. Let's find the difference. If you go through the difference here 3, if you go through the difference here 2, according to the ages, difference must be same, but you can see different numbers. If you see different numbers, then we have to equate the differences. How we are going to equate the difference? And you should multiply above difference with below, below with above. Then see, you are going to change the ratios. 5 into 2 is 10, 8 into 2 is 16. Again same, 5 into 3 is 15, 7 into 3 is 21. Now you can get the common difference. Common difference. Now 10 become a 15 is plus 5, 16 become a plus 5. Now see, you already know that from 5 years to the present age difference is also 5 only. Then it satisfies our condition. Directly you can consider that present ages of A and B is 15, 21. So is it clear? Second method. Difference is same. Based on that point, we are solving this question. We solve it. So please let me know in the comments. Is it clear? Now try to answer this question. Again, one more question from ages. Now see, a person was asked to state his age. He replied was, take my 3 years hence, multiplied by 8, subtracted triple of my age 3 years ago, then you will know how old I am. Now the question, what is the present age of person? Let us take that present age. We have to identify the present age of the person. Let us take X. Here the data says that take my age. So take my age 3 years hence. 3 years hence, here the age of that person is X plus 3. And you should multiply it by 3. And you should multiply it by 3. And subtract triple of my age 3 years ago. 3 years ago is X minus 3. And they clearly mention that it's a 3 times. Then if you find the difference, then you can know my age. So know my age means present age of that person is X. Now 3x plus 9 minus 3x plus 3 is equal to x. 3x plus 3, 9, and the value is equal to x. So you can cancel here, then x is equal to 18. Present age of that person is 18 years. Is it clear about the statement? Try to answer this question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to. Now you should be aware of this formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Based on the question, you have to take that conversion form. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So these are the two formulas you have to use for this question. So based on the question, consider one of that form. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? Now cubing on both the sides. Let's go for the cubing on both the sides. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Then 5 cube is equal to 125. Just cancel here. Then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 125 minus 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. So 3 into 5 is equal to 50. So if we go through the difference here, then the value become 110. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 110 is the result. Next, try to answer this question. Now here see this question from graph data interpretation. Bar graph given below shows the number of employees in thousand. So here the data says that number of employees in thousand. In 5 different companies in a year, percentage of officers of total employees. Number of officers given in terms of percentage. Study the following graph carefully and answer the questions in the below note. And the total number of employees in each company is number of officer plus workers. And if you analyze that sheet here, companies are given in x direction and number count is given in terms of thousand and percentage in y direction. Let's go for this question. Number of workers in company R. They are talking about workers in company R is approximately what percentage more than the number of workers in company S. Let's take the R data. So R total number of employees is 35,000. And according to the data, see officers. So officers exactly equal to 25%. What about the workers here? So here officers and workers. So workers remaining percentage means 75%. As calculated 75 percentage means 3 by 4th of 35,000. Otherwise you can do one thing. See, we need 75 percentage, right? See, 100 percentage is equal to 35,000, right? Now, so let's do one thing. Let's find the 25 percentage value. You can find the remaining one. 35,000 divided by 4. Or if you are interested, you can multiply with it 3 times. Then it becomes 75%. Anything is fine. Now see, 4 into 8, 32. We have 30. We have 30. 4 into 7, 7 fours 28. We have 20. So 4 fives, 8750. 8750 is multiplied by 3 times 0. 5 3 is 15. 7 3 is 21. 22. 8 3 is 24. It's a value of 26,250. Let's go for the another data. Let's find the company S here. S total number of people. See, 20 to 25, each line is 1 unit. So S is 24,000. And here all about the percentage, see 30, 31 and 32. So remaining, see 32 percentage is officers. If officers is 32 percentage and remaining 68 percentage are workers. So 68 by 100, just cancel it here. Left, just multiply 24 is multiplied with the 68. Be faster in the calculation. So it's at 12. Cross multiply them. 8 into 2 is 16. 18, 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 40. 0, 4. 8 4 is 32. So 2, 3, 6, 1. So finally 16320. But here the question we have to find how much more it is. See, the clearly we can indicate that this R should be more than the S. By how much of difference? 16,320. 0, 3, 12 minus 9, 15 minus of 6. So total value is 9930 divided by. Remember guys, last term in that, like last term in the question is always denominator. So here the last term is S, so it's all about 16,320 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. Let's go for some approximation. See, let's take the first two digits, 16 table. If you go for 16 table, 16 into 6 is equal to 96, right? Approximately it is 60%. If we check with the option, so definitely it is A. See, 16 into 6 is 96, we require 99, right? So answer must be more than 60. So they clearly mention that identify the approximate value. So here approximate percentage value is 61. So hope it's clear, the whole calculation. Next. Guys, let's see this question from Zoe. In a given figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. Guys, if it is a right angle triangle, you know the two sides makes an angle of 90 degrees. Now, angle ABC is 90 degrees. ACB. So here the B value is 60. As you know the property here, sum of all internal angle is 180 degrees. This is 90, this is 60, means definitely this is 30. If the radius of smaller circle is 2 centimeters, so here radius is 2 centimeters. And we have to identify that what is the radius of the larger one. Okay, just see, it's divided equally, a line which just passes to the center. Let's draw this line. So this is already, see, let's take the point P1 and P2. Let's go. Let's use this terminology. Centers are O1 and O2. Let's go for PQ. So you already know that it divides equally, means here the angle between these 2 points is 30 degrees. So you already know that tan 30. It's not tan 30, sorry, sin 30. Let's go for sin 30. Sin 30 is exactly equal to O1C divided by O1P. It's all about, sin is all about hypotenuse by opposite. So this is the angle opposite, and this is hypotenuse, and bottom one is a base. So if we go through the further calculation, we are going to identify this value of x. Let's take that this is the value of x. And you're already aware of that this is the value of 2, right? Let's take that this is 2 plus x divided by 2. And what about the sin 30? Sin 30 is equal to 2. 2 cancel. Then 2 plus x is equal to 1. Let me check here. Sorry. Give me a second, guys. I made one mistake here. Sin 30 is all about opposite by hypotenuse. So this is all of 2 divided by 2 plus x. Sin 30, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Then 2 plus x is equal to 4. See, from here to here 2 plus x is equal to 4. Definitely x is equal to 2. Let's go for the another triangle here. Let's go for the another triangle C. And the triangle O2QC. Again see, sin 30 degrees is exactly equal to. So this is x, this is 2, and this is 2. Let's go for this is y. Now the total value, see, again from here to here, value is y. So y divided by, you know that x value is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. So here 1 by 2 is equal to y by 6. Then y is equal to 4, 6, right? Y plus 6. Y plus 6. So this is 3 units, right? Then, so sin 30 is equal to y divided by y plus 6. Now let's go for the another calculation here. This is all about 1 by 2. If 2y is equal to y plus 6, then y is equal to 6. Let me check again. Y plus 2 plus 2 plus 6, okay. 1 by 2, then 2y is equal to y by 6. If you subtracted y minus 2y minus y is equal to 6, then y is equal to 6. That's not 4 centimeters. Verify once. Sin theta is all about hypotenuse by, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. Please let me know in the comments. Next. Let's see this question. Remember the important application. Understand this concept, guys. See, if 2 and 3, what about the LCM? LCM is equal to 6. HCF is exactly equal to 1. It means important property, you should remember that. Product of two numbers is exactly equal to LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers. Remember this point, guys. If you take any two numbers, their product value is exactly equal to LCM of two numbers into HCF of two numbers. And remember, those two numbers are always divisible by HCF of given number. Guys, those two numbers are always divisible by HCF of two numbers. These two numbers are like these two properties are most important. Now there are two numbers. One number is 4x, another number is 7x. And the HCF, as you know that, see, here 4x and 7x. If you want the LCM, LCM is equal to 28x. What about the HCF? We have a one common variable that is equal to x. And x value is directly given 26, right? Then what are the sum of those two numbers? Sum of those two numbers is 11x. So 11 into 26. So 286 is the correct answer. Next. So try to answer this question from heights and distance. Trigonometry. Now see, from the top of 10 meters high building, let's take the building here. From here to here, it is at 10 meters. The angle of elevation of top of a tower. The angle of elevation of top of the tower. So this is the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of foot of the tower. Angle of depression of foot of the tower is 5. And the tan pi is given as 2 by 3. Then what is the height of the tower in nearest meters? Now see, if it is at 10 meters, this other side is also 10 meters. Let's go for understanding A, B, C, D. As you know, the tan pi is all about AB by BD. So tan theta is all about opposite by base. Opposite by base. So A by BD ratio is equal to 2 by 3. And you know that AB value is equal to 10 units. If 2 become a 10 units, each value is multiplied by 5. In the same way, if 3 into 5 is exactly equal to 15. Now see, here the base value is 15. Here these values also equal. Opposite sides are equal. Now again see, tan 60. Let's go for the tan 60 here. Let's go for E here. Tan 60 is equal to opposite CE divided by base AC. So what about the tan 60 value? Tan 60 value is equal to root 3. Then CE value is equal to 15 root 3. So you know that root 3 value is equal to 1.732. If you multiply it 15 into 1.732, then approximately you will get 26. 26. Now the question, what is the height of the tower nearest meter? So total height of the tower means it's 10 plus 26 is equal to 36 meters. So tan theta is all about opposite by base. Is it clear? Very good, Nana Joshi. Let's see. See, aptitude is all about application, guys, concept application. Let's try to answer this question. Now, see, there are two results A and B. Two results A and B containing a mixture of milk and water. Milk and water in the ratio of 4 is to 1 and 9 is to 11. Yes, visual A, visual B. Milk and water. Milk, water. So here A, B are in the ratio of 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1, 9 is to 11. Now they are mixed. So we have to mix. We have to take 3 units from A, 2 units from B. So we have to mix in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Then find the ratio of milk and water in the resulting mixture. Guys, first of all, check the total quantity. Here the total quantity is 5. Here the total quantity is 6. And the quantity must be same. So quantity must be same means we have to multiply the ratio with a 4. If you multiply it, then the total quantity value becomes 20. Then we have to change these value also. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 1 is 4. But here the question, what is the ratio of milk and water? And we have to consider 3 units from A and 2 units from B. So 3 units from A, 16 into 3 plus 9 into 2. Same way, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 11. 16 into 3 is 48, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 4 into 3 is 12, 2 into 11 is 22. Let's go for the calculation here. It's a value of 66 and 34. Let's go for the cancellation. It is in the ratio of 33 is to 7. If you mix in the ratio of 3 is to 2, final milk and water ratio is 33 is to 7. Clear? Next, let's go for this question from time and work concept. Now see, A can do a work in 30 days. B can do the same work in 48 days. Let's go for the total work. Total work is all about LCM of 30 and 48. Total work is 340, 240 units. So 240 units of work completed by B in 48 days. Then each day they are completed 5 units. 240 units of work completed by A in 30 days, then each time means in every day they will completed 8 units per day. So efficiency of A is 8 units, efficiency of B is 5 units. After working alone for 20 days, A left and B started working. A works for 20 days. So every day A completed 8 units. In 20 days, they will completed 160 units. So out of 240, A completed 160 units. How many units are remaining? Here 240 minus of 160. 80 units are left and these 80 units completed by B itself. And as you know that B efficiency is 5 units per day. For 80 units, it takes only 60 days. Next. See this question number 10. Now see next question. 12 persons working 8 hours a day can complete the work in 10 days. See, 12 persons 8 hours a day can complete the work in 10 days. In how many days? 18 persons working 7 hours per day. Then how many days does it take to complete only 70 percentage of work? 70 percentage of. Let's go for the simplification part here. 0, 0 cancel, 10, 10 cancel, 7, 7 cancel. So here 6 3 times, 6 2 times. Finally see 8 into 2, 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is all about 5 1 by 3 days. 70 percentage of work completed by 8 persons working 7 hours a day. 7 hours a day is 5 1 by 3 days. Next one see. Let's see this question. From time, speed, distance. Now see this question. A train 100 meters long running at a speed of across the station crosses the station which is 500 meters long in 25 seconds. Now here the data says that speed of train is 100 meters. Here length of the platform 400 meters. So it takes only 25 seconds. If you take other platform, like see how long it will take train to pass the station at 380 meters long. Now see, speed is all about distance by time. Here the distance is all about see length of the train plus length of the platform. So length of the train is 100, length of the platform is 400. It takes only 25 seconds, and the speed is constant, right? Then same length of the train to cross 380 meters of platform in how many seconds? Let's find those values. So this is all about 600. This is exactly 24 times. 24 is exactly equal to 24 is exactly equal to 25 into 24. Then 100 plus 380 is 480 by x. So this is exactly 20 times means it takes only 20 seconds to cross that flat. You see this question? A sum of 10,200 is invested partly 8% per annum and remaining at 6% per annum annually. So here the principal is 10,200. Let's take that one part P1, other part is P2. So one part is invested 8% per annum, other part is invested 6% per annum. And after 3 years, it will generate 2,124 rupees. How much money was invested at 6% per annum? Let's understand that. See, this is all about allegation mixer application. First of all, 1 year, 1 year. So 1 year, what is the rate of interest? See, here the interest value is exactly equal to 708. 1 year. If you go for rate of interest for 1 year, so 708 divided by 102 in 100 into 100. So rate of interest is 708 divided by 102. Let's go further. P1 value they are invested 8%, P2 value they are invested 6%. If you go for the mean value is 1708 divided by 102. Let's find the P1 and P2. 708 divided by 102 minus of 6. P value is all about difference between these two values. Again P2 value is 8 minus 708 divided by 102. Let's go for the calculation. 708 minus 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 ones 612 divided by 102. So 816 minus 708 divided by 102, both are cancelled here. So let's find the difference 708 and 612. It means it plus 88. 88 plus 8 is 96. Now see again the difference here. Plus 92 plus 16 is 108. Cancel here 54 times. Cancel here 48 times. Now it is in the ratio of 48 is to 54. If you go through the sum, the total sum value is 102. If I have a 102, 48 units for P1 and for 54 units for P2. But the principal value is 10,200. So each unit value is equal to 100 rupees. Now, how much they invested for 6% per annum? 6% per annum is all about. So P2 value is 54 units, 5,400 is the correct answer. So you can solve with the help of allegation mixer concept. If you know this concept, you can save your time in the calculation. Next, see, percentage of profit is all about profit by cost price. Profit is all about selling price minus cost price. Percentage of markup. See, it's all about the discount. Let's understand the concept of discount. Discount is all about discount by market price. Discount is all about market price minus selling price. Now, we have to understand this concept. A shopkeeper makes his goods at a price after giving a discount of 25%. 25% is all about 1 by 4. It means, see, let us take that. If market price is 4 units, numerator says that take 1 unit as a discount. Then definitely selling price is 3 units. But if you're providing 25% of discount, they will gain profit of 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. It means if cost to price is 5 units, now take 1 unit profit. So definitely selling price is 6. If you observe both the cases, let's find the ratio of market price, cost to price, and selling price. Here CP is same, but you can see the different numbers. If CP is same, if different numbers, we have to equate it. If how we can going to equate it here, multiply with the 2. If you multiply it with the 2, MP value is 8 units, SP value is 6 units, and no need to change CP value. CP value is 5 units. Now the question here, if the market price of article is 736, market price of article is 736. What is the cost price of article? Now see, 8 sevens, 8 into 7, 7 8, so sorry, 8 into 9, 72, 8 into 2. Each unit value is 92 rupees. So 5 is multiplied with the 92, then the value becomes 460. Guys, it's a simple mixed ratio concept. So simple application. If terms are same, then we have to equate it. Based on that point, we are done with this calculation. Next, try to answer this question. Now see, which least number should be added for 1000? For 1000, so that the number obtained exactly divisible by 37. Let us take that. 37 into 2 is 74. Let's find the difference here. 260. So 37 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 3, 259. Then the difference becomes 1. Guys, here see, if you think 1000 is exactly divisible by 37, you will get 0. But here the remainder is 1. See, if remainder is 1, then which of the values you should add means. So if you want to add, remember guys, let's understand one more concept, guys. If you assume 1000 is divisible by 37, then the remainder must be 0 if you think. But if you get 1 as a remainder, then the exact number which is exactly divisible by 37 means 1000 minus 1 is equal to 999. If you want to subtract it directly, you can subtract remainder from divisor. But according to the question, we have to add. If you want to add, guys, so next number, if you want, we have to add 37 units, right? So if you add 37 units to the 999, then the answer becomes 1036. But if you want the direct answer, guys, if you want to subtract it from the dividend, then find the difference of divisor and remainder. Guys, if you want to add it, then find the difference between dividend and remainder. Then 36 should be added. If you want to subtract it, guys, if you want to subtract it directly, you can subtract that remainder value. If you want to add it, then find the difference between divisor and remainder. If you want to add it, find the difference between divisor and remainder. If you want to subtract it directly, you can subtract the remainder. Then that number is exactly divisible by 37. Next. Try to answer this question. Now see, if a 9-digit number 9, 8, 5, x, 3, 6, 7, 8, y is divisible by 72. It is divisible by 72, then find the value of x plus y. See, if any number is divisible by 72, then same number is always divisible by 8 and 9. Remember this property. If any number is divisible by 8 and 9, same number which is also divisible by 72. Let's use this property. Any number which is divisible by 8, pick last three numbers. So let's find that. 7, 8, y. So what are the possible values of y? Now see, 8 into 9. 8 into 9, 72. Then we required 6y. If you check with the 8 table, 8 into 8, 64. So before 64, we have 56. After 64, we have 72. So here we can conclude that y must be 4. Y must be 4. Then what about 9 property here? Sum of all the digits. If sum of all the digits are divisible by 9, then entire number is also divisible by 9. So 9 cancel. Here y should be replaced with a 4. Here let's go for this question. So 4 here, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 is always divisible by 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is also 18. So finally we have a 5. Then x should be replaced by 4. If x should be replaced by 4, then see, x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4, then x plus y value is equal to 8. Find the value of x. I hope you understand the whole session. Guys, this is for you. Try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So if you want PDF, you can download this PDF from my Telegram channel. Search at the rate of V2BVK. You can get my channel name Vision to Victory, or all the links are available in the description. You can follow us. If you have any queries, feel free to reach us. So whoever having your examination on 30th, so go through the videos once again and practice all the questions. Definitely you can able to get good score in your written examination. So all the best until the next session. Have a nice day. Good night, guys.